If you are an e-commerce seller juggling multiple platforms and drowning in accounting headaches, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for tech and software tutorials that make your life easier. In today's video, we are diving into Link My Books, the powerful accounting software built specifically for e-commerce sellers. Whether you're on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, or Etsy, Link My Books helps you automate your bookkeeping and sync everything seamlessly with Xero or QuickBooks. So we will walk you through how to set it up, connect your sales channels, and start automating your accounting. And if you're ready to save time, reduce errors, and stay tax compliant, let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Link My Books. On the top corner, you have an option to log in using your credentials, book a demo, but of course, the best option is to click the free trial. You will be forwarded to a new page. It's very simple. All you have to do is provide all the information needed so you can create your account. After that, you will be forwarded here. We're gonna click the X button so that we can start checking the seller account. Right, so you need to choose the online marketplaces. Is it going to be Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Etsy, TikTok Shop, Shopify, Square, and WooCommerce? In our case, we're going to be choosing Shopify. All right. Now, it's very important to know that you need to create your Shopify account here. All right. And then, for example, we're going to put in the Shopify account. Now, from here, I want you to click the Connect to Shopify, and again, you want to make sure that you have an access to the Shopify store. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to proceed. As you can see right now, we have the Link My Books already in the app. I want you to click on install. It's very easy. Okay. After installing, there's going to be a small process with this, and then you need to connect your bookkeeping account. All right. It's either you use Xero or Intuit QuickBooks, depending on your preferences. Okay? So if you don't have that, click on cancel. You will be forwarded here. Now, once we have successfully connected both of your accounting software platform as well as your Shopify store or your e-commerce store, in my case, I've been using Shopify, you will be forwarded to the Link My Books platform. Right now, it's blank, it's clean, and it's very easy to use. On the top corner, you have multiple options that we can explore. Now, the settlement section is the option where you can have the latest settlements or payouts from your e-commerce platform. If you're using Amazon, Etsy, PayPal, Walmart, or Shopify, you would see it here. There's going to be a drop-down menu. You see that there's going to be the settlements dashboard and the settlements sent overview. If you click on the settlement dashboard, you will be forwarded here. You would be able to see all the sales revenue and the fees and charges like commissions or shipping. Okay. And as you can see right now, because this is a newly created data, obviously we don't have anything here to show. But if you do have, you would see the refunds and returns. And of course, you can review and sync each settlement into your accounting software, where it will be mapped into relevant accounts. For example, income, fees, or even bank deposits. All right. Now, the analytics right here has also the drop-down menu, providing visual insights and breakdowns of your financial data, such as total sales. If you click the financial analytics, you will be forwarded here. All right. Now, you see there's a lot to take notice. They have the total sales, refunds, profit margins like profit after COGS, P&L statement, all channels, and of course trends by marketplace or country. All right. So it helps you better understand how your business is performing financially without filtering and reporting options. And then after that, there's going to be the industry benchmarking. By the way, if you click the update button, all the information will be refreshed if you have the data here. But if you don't, it's just I'm going to show you the same thing. If you click the industry benchmarking, the data will be loaded. All right. And as you can see, we have the cohort benchmarking for Shopify. All right. And then you have the sales growth and the fee ratio, which is very important, again, to help you better understand how your business is performing financially with all of these options available to you. Of course, let's not forget the accounts and taxes. All right, so there's going to be two drop downs for this: the account and tax mapping and account and taxes wizard. Now, if you click on the first option, the account and taxes will show us the chart of accounts like sales, income account, fees, expense account, tax rate mapping. Like for Amazon, fees may be non-taxable, so I'm not really sure about that. You have to check for it. Product sales may have varying tax rates. In my case, I'm using Shopify, so it ensures that everything syncs accurately and compliantly with your local tax rules. It's a critical setup step for clean booking. All right. Next is going to be the inventory section. It also have two drop-down menus. It has the product costs and product groups. Now with the product costs right here, it could show only the SKUs with no cost. You can track cost of goods sold or COGS. You can bulk upload if you wanted. All right. You can download the template file if you don't know what it is, so that you can sync your product and inventory data to accounting software. You can update stock levels if bi-directional sync is enabled. It helps match sales with product cost for accurate profit loss and reporting. Of course, there's going to be a next option, which is going to be the product groups. If you click on it, you would realize that it's going to be a useful tool if you want to apply different account codes or tax rates to group of products. For example, most of your items have one tax rate, but a few items have another tax rate. Then you could create a product group for those other items and then assign a separate tax rate to that group on the accounts and taxes pages. You just have to enable product groups so that here. Now the settings sections is more options that you wanted to control about your Link My Books platform. You have the settlement settings. Let me click that very quickly, which gives you all these tabs. You have the transaction grouping, cost of goods sold or COGS, zero settings if you're using zero, automation, tracking codes, and Shopify payment gateways. So these are going to be the connected platforms. Right now, I'm using Shopify, so my default Shopify payment gateways is this. All right. If your accounting software integrations is zero, you would notice we have the zero settings, or if you're using QuickBooks, you will know it's going to be a QuickBooks settings here. You have all of these notifications and alert preferences, advanced rules, ensuring everything works smoothly according to your business specific needs. And with that being said, and that's a wrap on our dive in using Link My Books, the powerful e-commerce accounting software that helps simplify your bookkeeping by seamlessly integrating platforms like Amazon, Shopify, and eBay with Xero or QuickBooks. So if you are an e-commerce seller who's tired of manual data entry, then Link My Books is definitely worth considering. It's accurate, automated, and built specifically for e-commerce accounting. It really is a game changer for streamlining your financials and gaining back valuable time. Again, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss a tech tutorial from our channel. If you have any questions about Link My Books or want us to cover another e-commerce tool, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and again, keep learning, keep growing, and keep your books balanced.